Hello and Namaste. This is Shweta Anand, your life and holistic coach. Emotional health, which is the foundation of self-confidence, and self-confidence, as you all know, is the springboard for achievement in any walk of life. So by far I've seen that EFT, which is the emotional freedom technique, has proved to be one of the best, effective and the fascinating tools for self-help method. So EFT was developed by Gary Craig and was inspired by the works of Dr. Roger Callahan. EFT is a form of acupressure. However, in this technique, the needles are not used as they are used in the traditional acupressure. In fact, in this, with the help of fingertips, the tappings are done on the specific points of the body part, and this is to do with the input of kinetic energy into those meridians. So these tappings into the meridians is backed up with the positive affirmations, which is to help regarding any problems. And these problems can be anything: your anxiety, your fear, your traumas, your addictions, your sadness, or any negative emotions that is not letting you grow in life or moving ahead in your life. So EFT allows us to release those negative emotions and transform our thoughts and beliefs behind those negative emotions and different experiences. The result of these emotional freedom technique therapies have been really amazing and miraculous. So people have started to feel better after few rounds of EFT tapping itself. And this EFT technique is really very easy and flexible so that anybody can learn this. With the aid of this simple natural healing tool, we can get rid of our negative emotions, transform those negative emotions into the positive ones, or help us to proceed ahead in life. So friends, in case you have any further questions regarding EFT, then please reach out to me and I will help you with all your answers. So stay happy, stay blessed.